Learning management systems have become an important part of education and corporate training. Whether you're an educational institution or a business looking to train your employees, choosing the right SaaS LMS software is essential. SaaS LMS is a web-based platform designed to deliver, manage, and track educational content. Here are essential steps and factors to consider when selecting the perfect SaaS LMS for your organization or educational institution. There are numerous SaaS LMS providers out there, but we're going to look at some of the top players in the game. So, without further ado, let's get started. eFront offers high customizability, but has a steeper learning curve. Talent LMS is user-friendly and affordable, but lacks advanced features for larger enterprises. Docebo is AI-driven and scalable, but can be costly for smaller organizations. Absorb LMS is intuitive with strong support, but pricing may be on the higher side. iSpring Learn LMS integrates seamlessly with PowerPoint and provides cost-effective solutions but lacks advanced features. Now that we've discussed these top LMS software providers, let's talk about why Paradiso LMS is our top choice for end users. Paradiso LMS is highly customizable, feature-rich, cost-effective, user-friendly, and offers excellent support, making it a top choice for a wide range of users. All these LMS have their merits. The choice of the best LMS software depends on your organization's specific needs and budget. Ultimately, it's essential to carefully consider your organization's requirements and goals when selecting the right LMS for your unique needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content. Have a great day.